Welcome. This is continuation of previous class. Previous class I have given 6 questions. 3 questions are over. In all the 3 questions, the 2 parallel sides are where, are not are, where, past tense, like this. And today's class, the 3 questions, parallel sides are like this. Again I told, for a trapezium, x bar, y bar, both to be located. If you want, locate centroid. But among x bar, y bar, one of them you can directly locate without splitting into parts. After splitting into parts, you write a1, x1 or a1, y1, etc. That little lengthy procedure is not required if centroidal distance is required from one of the parallel sides. So last time question, see, parallel, again I am telling, parallel sides were this way. See, last time question, the 2 parallel sides were this way. Then this will become height between them. So centroidal distance, cut, okay, one thing, randomly. Okay. Centroidal distance, suppose centroid is here. This distance is along height. This also along height. Or these 2 distances are distance of centroid from either that parallel side or this parallel side. Direct formula is there. I already explained earlier, go through it. But x bar you have to calculate. So in the previous 3 questions, y bar was not required, still we calculated. Why? Just to understand. And today's class question, the 2 parallel sides are like this. See, the 2 parallel sides are like this. Okay, color, no problem. This way. Now, these are the 2 parallel sides. Centroid is somewhere here. So, this distance is once again from one of the parallel side. Again, one of the parallel side. Now, this will become h. So, this distance you don't have to calculate. You can directly apply standard expression and get it. So, today's class question 4, question 5, question 6. Remember, x bar, I wrote here. Class, I will not tell. Every time you write, when you find x bar, actually this x bar, you need not do like this. Directly you can get it by applying standard expression. But y bar, no, you have to split into parts and do it. One more thing. Those who are watching this class, unless you watch the previous 2 classes, 2 or 3 classes, if you suddenly come to this class, I will advise you to immediately leave the class. My class is not for those who occasionally come and just glance and then comment, nothing clear, not explained. People are there. My class is meant for those who follow everything. So, unless you see, question number 4 I told, doubt will come. Then where is question number 1, 2, 3? It is previous class. So, this is continuation. So, if you want to understand, you should start from beginning. Before that, standard expressions were there. Or for that matter, my class is meant for only those who go through complete class. Each and every class I upload. How much effort I am putting, those who are serious, they can make out. Others, I am least bothered. It may look harsh, no problem. See, in education field, you have to be harsh sometimes. You cannot be very polite and ask, see, for example, I never ask the students, please do the calculation like that. I will tell, do the calculation. You are learning, I am teaching, I am ordering. So, therefore, see, it can be, someone will tell it's arrogance. Little arrogance required, but it should not be beyond the limit. Arrogance should not be beyond the limit. And I underestimate everybody. Why? Purpose is, when I teach, purpose is to bring them up, not sadistic behavior of enjoying, underestimating or scolding others. I never scold. And I never told once in my life that you are useless like that. No. If you are not knowing, I am there to teach you. So start. Now, question 4, already I copied because I took a photo of the question. Okay. Make a note. Now I will not explain much. Already told many times. Start. Continuation question 4. Note, we will divide like this. See, this way, this way. Figure, anyone you can take one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now dimension 30 given in the question. 100 given here. This is 170. This is 30. This is 100. From 170, subtract 30 and 100, you will get 40. Rounded means calculated. In my class, if I enter a dimension and round off, means it is calculated. Okay, now this height between them is 45. Okay, consider reference axis OX, OY. First I will take, see, I told you, bottom extreme corner, bottom extreme left corner. So, come to bottommost level here and come to extreme left, oh, this point. Why I told the reason. Somebody will ask, sir, why, sir? Sorry, now I will not tell. I told the reason. You can take for even you can take here also. What problem will come, I told you earlier. Either you take the bottom left extreme corner or top right extreme corner. If you take bottom left extreme corner, see, x will go this way, y will go this way. If I take top extreme corner and then x will go this way, y will come down. But usually popular is bottom left corner, so that because almost everywhere people want positive x, negative x, positive y, negative y. So by taking bottom left extreme corner, your x and y will have sign convention or pattern same as analytical geometry. Okay, start. Figure 1, figure 2, figure 3. Area half into 45 into 30. Figure 2, 45 into 100. Figure 3, half into 45 into 40. I got the 3 areas. I added the 3 areas, got total area. A1 plus A2 plus A3. See. Starting, rain started. So I will pause for a little time. Disturbance will come. Okay. Rain almost stopped. See, all the recording I am doing night time. Daytime disturbance will come. And I have other class also. Therefore, some rarely, if it rains beyond the limit, I will wait up. Usually I wait up to 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock night. Still if it rains, then I have to cancel it. That's why sometime in between, some class may not come. That's the reason. Okay, now rainy season is almost getting over. No problem. See, okay, start. I explained area x. See, this is your OY. I told how many times I have to tell x measurement is from OY, y measurement is from OX. See here. Figure number, oh, see. What happened is, I told figure number 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, but I changed it. Sorry. So I have to now change it. See, when I will take this as figure number 1. No. See, what happened is, I first told we will divide like this. Okay, divide like this. Then I told figure number 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. But when I wrote the sketch there, I changed it. So, okay, no problem. So, I will take, this is figure number 1. Okay. This is figure number 2. This is figure number 3. Okay, now matching. It hardly matters. So, figure 1 area, half into 45 into 30, now matching. Okay. Now see, x distance. Already told thousands of times, centroid is this side. 1/3 and 2/3. 2/3 of 45. x2, center, half of 45. x3, once again, 2/3 of 45. See, x3, 2/3 of 45. x1, y distance from here. y1, 40 plus 100. Total 140 from here up to here. Then another 1/3 of 30. Okay, it should be clear. G2, 40 plus half of 100. Figure number 3. This is 1/3, this is 2/3. 2/3 of 40. This 1/3, 2/3, so crystal crystal clear explained. Go to earlier class. Actually, later, one summary will come. Okay. Now, I told, now onwards, I will not waste time showing the calculation. You are learning, so you should do something. X bar from OI, write the formula, substitute, get the answer. Y bar, write the formula, get the answer. Then come here. Lastly, one presentation, see here. Therefore, centroid G will be as shown here, all dimension millimeter. You write the original sketch. See, they told 30, 100, 170, 45. Where is 45 here? I write somewhere here, okay. I show 45 also, okay. Red color is coming, 45, okay. Write the original diagram, okay. Now, see here. From this point, X bar, we got 24.444. This is 45. 24.444 is more than half of 45. So, it will reach the mid height and then go slightly further. See, it is near to this point. 45 half is 22.5, but we got 24.444 this side. Okay, then Y bar, we got 87.284. This is 40. Up to here is 40. Then midpoint of 100 is 50. 50 plus 40 is 90. But we got 87. So from the center of this 100, slightly below. Okay, no problem. Mark your X bar. See, you can mark from here, anywhere you want X bar, Y bar. Now, we got from here, X bar came. If you want from other side, from 45 subtract and get the answer. Same way. From here Y bar you got 87 point something. If you want from top extreme edge, from 170 subtract it. Question over. Now, I will write immediately alternate solution. Alternate solution. Just 1 minute. I will check the camera first. Have I gone beyond the limit? Upper side. I think no. I think space is there. But sometimes I get doubt. No, space is there. Camera is on, no? Sometimes what happens is, camera may not be on. My full talking is wasted. Alternate solution, right here. Now once again put the sketch. Same division, what we will do now is to understand alternate solution. See, oh, I do one thing now. I want some space here. Okay. I write here. You write here. Write somewhere here. Alternate solution. Division is same. Alternate solution. Just to understand. Instead of bottom left corner, I will take top right corner. See here, O. This I will take O. So now this will be X and this will be Y. And this is your OX line. And this will be your OY. Now your X is from here, this way, Y is from there. Start. Area remains same. See here. Figure number 1. X1 from here, 1/3 of 45. You can't do this way. Once again you have to do it now. Don't change it. One more table you have to write. If you want to really learn, write one more table. Don't write what I am doing here. Because I am teaching. You are learning. You should not be so lazy. It is 1/3 of 45. X2. Exactly center 45/2. X3. This distance. Once again 1/3 of 45. Now Y from here. Y1. See, this is 1/3. This is 2/3. So instead of this way directly, last time see 40 plus 100 plus 1/3. Now directly from there 2/3 of 30. 2/3 of 30. Y2. 30 plus half of 100. 30 plus half of 100. Y3. 30 plus 100 is total 130. Total 130. Then from here you reach it here. Further come down by 1/3 of 40 plus 1/3 of 40. Okay, over. Now calculate X bar from OY. Now OY is changing. Y bar from OX. Enjoy the calculation. come here. Therefore, one more sketch. Centroid will be, see here. Your marking is here. This is O, this is X, this is Y. Therefore, now you got X bar. I had to calculate it. Answer will change. I will calculate once again. I forgot to calculate. Okay. Fast calculator. See, super fast calculator. 20.556. I told this is called confidence. 82.716. Okay. 82.716. Over. See, start now. Now from here answer. X bar we got 20.556. Now, see, now this is your X bar. See, this is your X bar this way equal to 20.556 millimeter. If you want from here, from 45, subtract it, you will get answer 24 point, same as last time. I am not calculating. 24.444 round off. You calculated. Now, see, this is your Y bar from top. How much you got? 82.716. If you want from here, from 170 subtract, get the distance. Okay. Solution is completely over for question number 4. Now I will prepare. Now question 4 over means, see, upper side one triangle, middle rectangle, bottom side triangle. Like earlier, first question, left side one triangle, right side one triangle, middle triangle. That is a master question. Next two questions, easy. Either left triangle and one left triangle and rectangle, or right triangle rectangle. Work is reduced. Instead of 3 parts, 2 parts. Here also, see, question 1, one triangle upper side, one lower side, middle. Next question will be, I think, only upper side triangle will come, lower side, upper side triangle and rectangle. Last question is rectangle and lower side triangle. So, compared to this question, next two questions are easier. So, someone will tell, you can give exercise for them, you don't have to solve. No, I want to completely solve. See, maybe time required, course will continue to more time, but nothing to be left out. Exercise I will give separately later. Or centroid all, exercise I will write only in the notes, not here. Here I will cover enough number of questions. In the notes I will give plenty of exercises. Okay, I will prepare. Start. Question number 5. I wrote the sketch here, already given for you, all in millimeter. Note, we will divide like this. We will take bottom 1 and top 2, just for a change. Anything you can take 1 and 2. Draw a neat sketch here. See, this is 1, this is 2. Okay, or green color. Okay, green color. 1 and 2. Okay, parts. Okay, start. Consider reference axis OX and OY as shown. We will first take bottom left corner. This already I explained. Okay, start. Figure number 1, area 130 into 80. Figure number 2, half into 130 into 70. Total area you get it. X1, half of 130. X2, 2/3 of 130. Over. Y, figure number 1, 80 by 2. Figure number 2, 80 plus this distance. See, this distance is 1 by 3 of 70. Over. You get X bar, you get Y bar. Enjoy. Therefore, lastly, centroid G will be as shown below. Write whatever sketch given somewhat to scale. Okay, this is 130, this is 150, this is 70, okay, 70 here, at 80 here, this is 150 they told, this is 130, this is the sketch they told. See, our reference axis is here. This is your X, this is your Y, this is O you have taken. So X bar this way, we got 71.594. This is 130. Half of 130 is 65. It will go slightly this side. It will go this side. Okay, then slightly this side. Okay, this side. And then y bar, we got how much? 59.275. This is 80. 15 midpoint is 40. So little above midpoint. See, little above midpoint. This is centroid G. From here to here is your x bar. Whatever you got is 71 point. See, yesterday answer is still there. See here, 71.594. From other side it is 71.594 means from 130 subtract it. 58.406. Round off. You calculate how. From 130 subtract it. Subtract this distance. And y bar, where I will mark it? Okay, this 150 is troubling me. I will mark 150 here. 150. Okay. Y bar, here we got y bar upper side. See, actually, here upper means here. Actually, here I can't mark. See, from this plane upper side, 59.275 millimeter. Calculated value. Suppose you want y bar from there, you calculate from 150, subtract 59.275, 90.725. 725. Calculated value. This is the centroid. Okay, now write immediately. Alternate solution. Alternate solution. Do one thing. Shift it now. See. Now you take, just to understand, everything to understand, this origin, O. Now x will be like this, right top corner, x this way and y this way. So this is your OX line. This is your OY line. Okay, start. Everything correct? Okay. Area will remain same. Now see, figure number 1. x1, same, 130 by 2. Now x2 is 1/3 of 130. Not 2/3, 1/3 of 130. Y, figure number 1, half of 80. Same as that time. Figure number 2, 80 plus 1/3 of 70. 80. Sorry. Oh, wrong. X1 is how much? Half of 130. X2 is 1/3 of this, correct? 1/3 of X2 is 1/3 of 130. Okay. Actually, I was taking from here. Oh, problem. See, luckily I observed. Y is from there. So figure number 1, y is 70 plus half of 80. See, it will become blunder. 70 plus half of 80. Anyway, otherwise some answer I will write here. Answer I am not calculating. So some will tell wrong entry, answer came same. How? Because one mistake here, see. And y2 here, directly this distance 2/3 of 70. See, sometimes you be extremely careful. Over. Substitute, get x bar, y bar. I will calculate for your confidence. 58.406 and other is 90.725. 725. Okay. Now, last step here. See. Last step is, see, don't be lazy. Once again write the sketch. You make a perfect entry. Now, your x and y are this way. X, this is O. This is your y. Therefore, this is your x bar. See, 58.406 is your x bar. Calculate x bar. This is x bar. See, this way. 58.406. This distance is 130 minus that one, 71.594. Same as last time. Now, this is your y bar. How much? From here down, 90.725. This you will get from 150, subtract it. It will come 90.725 means, where is the answer? 59.275. 59.275. So that is same as last time answer. Question number 5 is over. I will change over to question number 6. But once again, to save the time, I will write the sketches and calculate, because this is nothing. By this time, some will tell, we can do it. Then do it independently. Start now. Question number 6. I wrote the sketch here, all in millimeter. Now we will divide one rectangle, one triangle. Now for a change, I will take upper side 1, lower side 2. Your choice. Okay. First, right. Consider reference axis, bottom left corner, x this way, y this way. Now see, only 2 figures, not 3. Area first, 75 into 90. Second, half into 75 into 50. Little fast I will tell. x1, half of 75. x2, 1/3 of 75. y1, from here, 50 plus half of 90. y2, this distance. This is 1/3. This is 2/3 of 50. You get x bar, a1 x1 plus a2 x2. That's all. 34.783. y bar, 81.594. Right. Therefore, final answer right here. Therefore, centroid G for the given sketch is some neat sketch now. See, neat sketch here. Some scale 75, 140, okay, as big as possible. Little upper side. 75, 140, 90. This is 75, correct? Little more. 90. 90 means remaining is how much? I forgot to tell one thing now. This is 140, this is 90, this will be 50. I forgot to explain. This is 90, this is only 50. Okay, sufficient. Okay, 50. This is 140, this is 90, this is 75. Our origin is here. This way x and this way y. Our x bar came 34. Half of 75 is 37.5. But we got 34. Therefore, from center, slightly left side. Y bar, we got 81.594. See, this is 50. So from here, when you go to 50, you reach here. You have to go by another 31.594. Means 90 half is 45. So little below. See. Okay, now reasonable. Okay, correct? X bar 34. Other one is, one side is 34. Other is by how much? Where is other one? 34 and 40. Okay, little, okay. Little side. Okay, centroid G. See here. From here, we got x bar. This is your x bar. X, this way, x bar equal to 34.783. 783. If you want from here, you calculate from 75, subtract it. 34.783. 40 point, it will come 217. 217. You calculate. Okay, then from here, y bar you got 81.594. Where right here? Anywhere where space is there. I can write here. Okay, here I write. Okay, this I remove here. Here come this side. Centroid G, you come this side. Okay. See. Other one is 81 and other one is how much? 50. Okay, okay. Somewhat okay. This is your y bar. 81 point, how much I got? 594. Okay. Now, if you want this distance from here, subtract this number from 140, you will get 58.406. You will get 58.406 calculated value. This is centroid G for the trapezium. Over. Now, lastly right here, alternate solution. This is the last time I am doing. Sometime I will stop this one, alternate solution. Do one thing. You had right, once again right. consider reference axis as shown. You can make a note there. This time we will take right and top extreme edge here, O. So this will be your X. This will be your Y. This is your OY axis. This is your OX axis. Okay. Figure 1, figure 2 same. Area will remain same. Now see, X1, half of 75. Once again same. But X2 will be, see, its centroid is here. I have not marked centroid here, I removed it. Okay. Its centroid is here, G2. Now from here to here is 2/3 of 75. 2/3 of 75. Y from here, directly half of 90 over 90 by 2. Other one is 90 plus 1/3 of 50. Not 2/3 now. 90 plus 1/3 of 50. Calculate X bar, calculate Y bar. Okay, last time I will calculate fast. High speed 40.217 and 58.406. It has to come, otherwise my class will stop. Now right here. Lastly, come here. Therefore, 40.277. See, this is your X bar. 40.217. If you want from 75, subtract and get this number. And this time, this is your Y bar. See, Y bar equal to 50. I done it neatly. Space is not there. See, this is your Y bar. Y bar equal to 58.406. With a space problem, 406. This you calculate. How? From 140 subtract, get this one. See, sometime, see, if it is forgotten, I should tell, I forgot to enter here. See, that is understood. Once I wrote here, same thing will come here. So therefore, if such a, what happens sometime is, everything I enter, some where I changed, what changes will come here. I will explain here. Here, in the last, when I feel tired, I may not ignore, oversight it. Don't make issue of such things. It is a minor part. You tell if technical mistake is there. Okay, over now. Completely over. Actually, now I am thinking, this today is a little short class. Maybe only 30 minutes, I think. I should have included yesterday only, last class. But last class, I was feeling too tired. So, then I was not having enough energy to continue for 3 more questions. So, I decided part 3 today. Okay. Next class, I am going for centroid for semicircle and quadrant. Very, very important. And then I will go for one summary for centroid for all standard cases. One full board summary. I will explain. After that one, marathon questions. Multiple parts, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, 2 triangles. Need not be trapezium. Triangle, circle, rectangle, rectangle, circle, one semicircle removed, or rectangle, semicircle, one triangle, etc., etc. We will keep on solving. One class I will upload one question, because why? Lengthy questions I will solve, not very small. Small, small, small. I will give exercises in the notes, but not here. Like support reactions, if you remember, I have given plenty of exercises for you. No, centroid moment of inertia, I decided only in the notes I will write it with the answer. Okay, thank you. We'll meet next time.